Woohoo! Look at that! Oh, fish and chips tonight! Wow, it's beautiful.
It's one of those blowfish.
Oh, it's a pufferfish.
It's pufferfish.
Oh, so we can't eat it.
Well, we can, but we might die.
Okay.
Open to catch.
And
What?
Sebastian. Yeah, we're going to catch lobster and fish and oh yeah. It's so beautiful here. I'm going to turn this around. Oh, it's stunning. Beautiful morning.
What are you doing? You're fishing yourself. What are you hoping to get?
Sebastian.
A Sebastian. I don't think you can get a lobster with a string. I think you have to get a lobster with a net, but maybe you'll get a red snapper. Yeah? The name?
Caught one, yay!
Rosquero.
Rosquero.
Daddy, how's it going with you?
Oh, very fun.
We've decided that Daddy is a pufferfish fisherman. That's the one he can catch.
Oh. Yeah, there it is. Those fish, well, this is one of them that we caught earlier. Well, our captain caught it. But he gave me those two fish and I fried it up right away and we are eating it right now here on the beach and then we take off.
We had 3 weeks to get to Panama City to organize our shipping to Colombia. This gave us time to hang out at the many beaches, try our look at some fishing, and meet some great people.
We are camped here on this parking lot, just in front of the pizza place. Yeah. Oh, best pizza we had so far on this trip of 3 years. Can you imagine? Can you believe that? It was such a good pizza. We ordered 2 and then we said, oh, we gotta have one more. So we had 3 pizzas. It was a little, I mean, we overate a little, but it was worth it. It was good. All right, and yeah, free overnighting here. Good pizza. What else do you want? Now we're going shopping, and then we head down to the beach. We are camped here at this hotel on the beach, south of Santiago in Panama, with our good friends from Arles Live, and later today the Gatos Go Global, the Dutch couple with their cat are coming too, and I am preparing some lasagna for everybody. We're hiding out in the shelter here because it's raining. But yeah, here, Marcia, Killian, Abigail, Caspian, Eric, hi, Brittany and Zoe.
Apart from the very modern capital, the rest of Panama is pretty rural. You may remember the cool remote hotspots we got to explore in our last video, the crazy river crossings, gushing waterfall and fabulous indigenous tribe. Well, dirt roads like this just keep on coming, and when you're in the peak of the rainy season, you better put in 4-wheel drive.
We're crossing the peninsula here in Panama, and it's a pretty rough road. Takes a little longer than expected, and knowing us, of course, we hit the road at about 2 o'clock, so it'll be dark by the time we're on that other side on the beach. But it's a spectacular drive, and it is rugged, it's beautiful, and I just want to show you this view here. The weather is turning, I think, but look at that view. We were down there somewhere on the beach, and we are trying to get over all these mountains to the other side. Oh yeah. It's dark again. We got ourselves into trouble here. We are searching for a place on the beach, but it's the road has deteriorated and we can't really turn, so yeah, but we have to try and see if we can get the truck turned around and drive away. The morning after our wild trip here along the coast, we were able to turn around there, but yeah, in about a 7 or 8 point turning, and drive all the way back through all the mud and the rivers and everything. And then we found a spot here, beautiful, on the river, on the sea. And then I backed up the truck. I backed in to this little inlet, and then it happened. We have lost another light up there. Damaged the plastic a little bit. No big deal. And here we are. So oh dear. I don't know. Need to fix it. All right, first analysis. I think I'm able to fix it. It's not such a bad thing. It's yeah. I was able to push this back into its place. Lost a screw here, so I will temporarily just fix this. And here, this stuff here. I'm just gonna bend it back and see. That's a bit of a tough one, huh? I'll have to see. Okay, we're trying to bend it back to its position. Here, construction with the tools I have. Getting there. After an hour fiddling about, 2 new screws here, we are back on the road. Chicken today. Tomorrow we go fishing. Yes. Oh, smells so good. It's just every now and then you gotta have chicken wings, chicken thighs, chicken whatever, whole chicken. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful. I love it.
So, word got around that we were camped here, and it didn't take long for a local farmer to come around with some meat goodies. Who'd have thought it in the middle of nowhere? Well, actually this wasn't the first time it happened to us on the road. Here is yet another meat angel.
Okay, and then this happened. Oh dear, we fell into the ditch. That is not good. That is not good now. Okay, how do we get out of here? Talking about being awake after all this, after this little adventure here on the road, we are certainly awake. It's about 7:20, 20 minutes late, but I think we have a good enough excuse. Would have been 5 minutes late anyway, but no problem. So yeah, we are very happy that we got the truck back out. That was scary, man. Now we're going fishing. We're starting to troll here with four poles. Oh yeah, that's so cool. Fairly small boat here we're having. Glad the sun is not shining. We don't have a roof. Beautiful. All right, let's see what we can catch. Here, there's a whole bunch of fish. Very. Look, can you see it?
Whoa, look at this one. This is big, Zoe. Yeah, look at this.
Hey,
Pequeña.
That one I'm very proud of.
Yeah, yellowfin tuna. It was great fun going fishing with these guys. They do an excellent job, and you will guarantee catching some dinner on their tours. They even fillet it for you. And Zoe, of course, loved playing with the fisherman's kids afterwards.
Here we have the yellowfin tuna. Here we have the bonito. Yes, and this is ceviche. I made ceviche with both tunas. Oh, nice. Beautiful ceviche. Fried some fries. Now, this here.
That's the one you're excited about.
Oh, yeah. Nice and medium. Nice. Some soy sauce. We even had sesame seeds. Get this. Oh. More. Beautiful.
Next time, we visit El Valle de San Anton, where the rich folk live, and we treat ourselves to a volcanic mud spa. We visit the metropolis of Panama City, where we check out the famous Panama Canal and get ready for shipping our vehicle to South America. And before we leave Central America, we paint the town red.